Statistically, I should not be here where I am today. I should not be in school. I should not be teaching. Statistics place me, in the footsteps of the others that I was raised around and the actions that they took. I chose to be the change, and I chose to follow my dreams and follow my path. I come from a family of addiction, and so I chose to break that cycle of addiction and alcoholism and be the first in my family to go to college to become a teacher. It started out personal for me. I have 2 younger siblings who I've practically helped raise. And then at 17 years old, during my senior year of high school, I was blessed with a niece whom I ended up becoming a full-time caregiver for. Those days at home with her were spent making activities for her, cooking meals for her, and just making sure that she was meeting all her milestones. I was being my own little at-home teacher without even knowing it. And then from there, it just kind of clicked that I really enjoyed that process. And when it came to college, I really realized that I liked working with my niece and I liked being around kids. I would say the benefits of my job are being able to shape the next generation of leaders. Having that impact and that effect on these kids, they're gonna grow up and they're gonna take my place. I've heard kids tell me, I wanna be a teacher, and that's the best thing because we really need as many as we can because you know what? Kids aren't going away. They're gonna be here forever, so we need more good teachers out there, and these kids, they're gonna be the next engineers, they're gonna be the next scientists. We don't know, but having that impact and being able to shape these kids and give them the tools that they need to succeed at such an early age, I think that's the benefit of my job. It's terrifying, but realizing in the moment that, a couple years, it's gonna go by quick. There's nothing that you can't figure out. There's nothing that you can't learn. There's always support there to help you. And no matter what question you have, there's somebody that can answer it. I know that paying for college can be scary, seeing all the money that you need to pay for classes, but I have not had to pay a penny out of pocket for my education. So UNM Taos definitely has supports if you need them. It also provides a very comfortable and small community feel to it. So like coming from Taos, we're used to like this small community and how everybody knows each other and how you have your aunties, your uncles, your grandmas, your grandpas there to help you. Well, same thing at UNM. It's like a family. We all don't have it easy, and it can be a leap to go to college because I know it's not the norm. It's a little bit of a risk to take to, step out of our comfort zone and out of our community circle. But learning these new skills, just learning everything that we can, so that way we can bring it back to our community, which is what I've sort of tried to do, which is why I'm here at Taos Pueblo working with our youth so I can help them. Just imagine what your life could be like if you could have an impact on all these little lives. Even though you may not know it, these kids need you, and you might need them as much as they need you. Even something as simple as finger painting or playing Duck, Duck, Goose is a learning moment. It's teaching them so many skills. It's just amazing how easily kids can be taught skills that will benefit them for the rest of their lives. I hope that my story inspires you to choose the early childhood education pathway. Let's be the change that we want for our community to have a better future.